My name is Aviraj. I am husband of Miss Ankita. 2 months back, she was diagnosed with AVN grade 3 on her right hip and grade 2 on her left hip. We have been doing research on what kind of a therapy is good or which kind of a procedure is good, and down the line we came across this Sahaj of therapy. Initially, we were hesitant to come here because we come from Visakhapatnam, part of India, and coming to Indore, having this surgery done was quite difficult for us to trust even because um, having for this surgery coming to Indore was not feasible for us. But the kind of follow up and suggestions and recommendations from the Sahaj hospitals, especially Dr. Malika, was kind of like a bonding thing for me, and it kind of developed that confidence to come here and continue with the procedure. Today she is getting discharged, and I am very happy. Entire experience was great, hospitality was great, the staff is awesome, food was good, receiving was really well. I was shocked. We never get such kind of receiving from anyone. We have been to few hospitals, having worked in medical industry. I know some things, but um, it was cultural shock at the same time in a good way. We really liked the way it was designed, and I'm really happy with the whole experience. I would recommend anyone who's having avian condition to come here and have the surgery done. So that is my recommendation.